irons, irons, irons. Noun. Definition: a strong, hard magnetic silvery-grey metal, the chemical element of atomic number 26, much used as a material for construction and manufacturing, especially in the form of steel, used figuratively as a symbol or type of firmness, strength, or resistance. Example: this shining metal was not raw iron but hard steel, which bent the softer wrought-iron blades of the Gauls. Noun. Definition: a tool or implement now or originally made of iron. Example: a caulking iron. Noun. Definition: a handheld implement, typically an electrical one, with a heated flat steel base, used to smooth clothes, sheets, etc. Example: using an electric iron, the sheets were pressed flat. Verb. Definition: smooth clothes, sheets, etc. with an iron. Example: in fact, my mother and I also washed and ironed his clothes in case the minister has forgotten that part of his story.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.